Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the chapter The Sermon at Banaras by Betty Renshaw Barber. In this video I will cover about the author, theme, message, characters, summary and questions. About the author, Betty Renshaw Barber was born in Shannon, Mississippi on October 2nd, 1921. She obtained Master of Arts from Mississippi University for Women. She had a huge heart for the Lord and served as a Sunday school teacher at the First Baptist Church. Betty married Joseph Henry Barber. She went to be with Jesus on April 30, 1999. Theme of the story: Sermon at Banaras is the story of an unfortunate woman, Kisa Gautami. She had lost her only son. In her grief, she carried the dead body of her loving son from one place to another. In the end, she came to Lord Buddha. She needed the medicine that could cure her son. The Buddha asked her to bring him a handful of mustard seed from a house where no one had lost a family member or friend. She didn't find a house where some beloved one had not died in it. She realized that death is inevitable. Men are mortal, and a wise person should not grieve at what is bound to happen, for it only enhances pain and suffering. Message: The Buddha wants us to understand that this world is full of sufferings, death, and decay. Everything in this world is subject to death. He further says that the world is deeply affected by suffering, disease, or pain. Main characters: the first one is Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha is the founder of the religion Buddhism. He was a spiritual teacher who had gained enlightenment after seeing the world's pains and greed. He preached his first sermon at Banaras. He cleared that everyone on this earth has to one day meet with death. Kisa Gautami. Gautami's only son had died. She was deeply grieved. She was loving and caring, but at the same time, she became selfish and wanted to get her son back after death. She forgot that death spares none. She realized that no lamentation or grieving can bring a dead person back to life again. Now we will see the summary of the chapter, and after this the chapter will be very clear to you all. Gautam Buddha was born a prince. He was named Siddhartha Gautam. He was married at the age of 16 and enjoyed the royal luxuries for 10 years. He had a son. Up to the age of 25, he was shielded from the sufferings of the world. While out hunting one day, he saw a sick man, then an aged man, and a funeral procession shocked him. Finally, he saw a monk begging for alms. He gave up royal pleasures and set out to seek enlightenment. He wandered for 7 years and finally sat down under a peepal tree in meditation. Enlightenment came to him after 7 days. He named that big tree the Bodhi tree or tree of wisdom. He was known as the Buddha or the awakened or the enlightened one after he started sharing his new understandings. The Buddha preached his first sermon at the holy city of Banaras on the river Ganges. Kisa Gautami's only son had died. She had lost her senses and carried her dead child to all her neighbors. She requested the Buddha to give such medicine that might cure her son. The Buddha asked her to bring handful of mustard seeds from a household where none had died. She went from house to house, but could not find such a household that had not known death. She realized that she was being selfish in grief. Kisa Gautami understood that death is common to all. In his sermon, the Buddha says that everyone in their life is troubled and in pain, especially because of death. So, one must not grieve, for grieving makes one suffer more and deprives one of their peace of mind. But it does not bring the dead back. It is only by freeing oneself from sorrows completely that one can obtain peace.